Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Christy, and this is the recipe of the week. A garlic Parmesan chicken with veggies, all cooked on one sheet pan. Let's get to it. All right, so let's get started with this recipe. This is a recipe that we found on Pinterest, and we will link it in the description box. Okay, so first, lightly grease a baking sheet with cooking spray and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So then take a large bowl, whisk together an egg, lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper. Dip the chicken into the egg mixture, cover, and allow it to marinate in the refrigerator for 30 minutes up to an hour if time permits. If it doesn't permit, then just go ahead with the next step, which is in another bowl, combine the breadcrumbs with the Parmesan cheese. Dredge the egg-coated chicken in the breadcrumb mixture and lightly press to evenly coat. Place the chicken on the baking sheet and lightly spray with cooking oil. Arrange the potatoes around the chicken. Then you're going to mix together some butter, garlic, and salt to taste. Pour half of the butter mixture over the potatoes and then toss it to evenly coat it. You're going to then bake that for 15 minutes. Remove the baking tray and carefully flip the chicken. Move the potatoes to one side to make sure to have room for the green beans. Pour the remaining butter mixture over the green beans. Return to the oven to broil or grill on a medium-high heat for about 10 minutes or until the chicken is golden and crisp and the potatoes are cooked through. You're going to sprinkle with fresh chopped parsley, though clearly this particular time I decided to grate some Parmesan cheese on it instead. But make it your own recipe if that's how you want to go, is Parmesan cheese. You have my seal of approval. And that is the whole recipe. If you like it, be sure to give us a big thumbs up, share our video, and let us know in the comments if you plan on trying this recipe. We would also love for you to join our little family here by subscribing and hitting the bell until it says all. Be sure to also watch our grocery haul videos every Monday so that you can vote for the recipe of the week. Until next time, this is Christy with The Long Run with Joel and Christy saying, it's a long run, give yourself a little grace. Bye.